Gosh, my back hurts so much. I'm not sure if I can take this anymore. I can barely get out of bed. Why is this happening? I'd give anything to make this pain stop.
His chronic back pain was consuming his life with an endless appetite that refused to let up. Like an untreatable virus, his chronic back pain would only get worse until one day it all blew apart.
I've never seen this in my years of practicing medicine in someone your age. I mean, looking at you, you're young, healthy, and strong, but your lower back looks like that of a 65 or 70-year-old man, and not that of a 33-year-old male. You've got a pancake stack of problems here. First, the disc between your L5 and S1 vertebrae is herniated and partially ruptured. It looks like a shriveled-up hockey puck. Next, the disc between your L4 and L5 vertebrae is bulging and swollen and is pressing up against your spinal column, and it's shrunk in size as well. And then last but not least, to top it all off, you have a hemangioma on your T11, which is a tumor of blood vessels that's completely wrapped itself around your disc. And over time, this tumor can weaken your disc until it collapses like a house of cards, and if this happens, you'll need immediate surgery. Most people your age with these injuries usually are involved in some sort of a car crash or trauma, but in your condition, it seems to be genetic. So I'm sorry to say it, but it looks like you're headed for surgery and a lengthy rehab process. So you probably won't be able to exercise for a while or do your favorite activities, and you'll need to make some lifestyle changes.
However, little did they both know out of this freak occurrence would be born an accidental breakthrough that would help calm chronic joint pain for millions of men and women regardless of age, 100% safely and naturally, and helped Jared, a 33-year-old man, avoid back surgery while erasing the suffocating pain that on most days would hold him back. But now he's just as active as he ever was and rarely has a problem. That's why if you suffer from chronic joint pain, whether it's your lower back, your knees, shoulders, elbows, hips, wrists, hands, or have arthritic symptoms that flare up, keep watching because you'll discover the once daily tip he personally discovered that can also help send most of your joint pain packing on a permanent vacation. But what's even more special about this simple yet powerful tip is that it works in a completely different way than anything else out there. For example, you've probably heard of people saying that they have a high pain tolerance, right? While some people have a low pain tolerance. Well, did you know that there's a biological reason for this? And now you can tap into this superpower to help delete the pain from your life altogether, like it's not even there in the first place, and do so 100% naturally without injections or numbing agents. You just follow this once daily tip in the morning, then go about your day. All you need is 30 seconds for hours to possibly all day pain relief. That's how shockingly powerful this simple tip is, and much safer than popping pills and anti-inflammatories. In fact, you'll see why popping these drugs, especially NSAIDs, in the long run is a one-way ticket to more pain down the road and a potential health disaster, like stomach bleeds, ulcers, heart attacks, hearing loss, and kidney failure. Not only that, you'll also discover the absolute worst foods, some of them are even vegetables, that can cause your chronic pain to skyrocket without you even realizing the true culprit. But don't worry, because you'll also be shown the better than ibuprofen mineral that researchers have demonstrated can help increase your tolerance and resistance to chronic pain. So you feel less of it and not more. Plus the once daily tip that has thousands all over the country who've watched this video, calling it a prayer from up above for giving them back their independence and confidence. Chronic pain is a cruel, ever-worsening condition that slowly strips you of your self-worth and ability to rely on yourself. It can never be cured. However, in this controversial video which has gone viral, thousands are using the information to help find long-lasting relief. So make sure to keep watching. If you or someone you know suffers from chronic joint pain and want to enjoy more pain-free days, you'll want to pay attention. Your presentation is about to begin in 3, 2, 1.